On June 11, 1897, the famous revolutionary Pandit Ramprasad Bismil was born in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Bismil's life was not only marked by his revolutionary activities but also by his ability to inspire the youth of the country. His life underwent many transformations, shaping him into a remarkable figure admired by all who met him. He was popular among both revolutionaries and the general public. And from a young age, Ram Prasad Bismil harbored a deep hatred for British rule and was determined to see India free. He was one of the founders of the Hindustan Republican Association, an organization dedicated to overthrowing British rule in India. Bismil formed close friendships with fellow revolutionaries such as Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev and Thakur Roshan Singh. Together, they fiercely opposed British authorities. Bismil was instrumental in carrying out the Kakori train action, a bold attack that shook British rule. He also inspired people through his poetry and writings. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. These were the lines through which he motivated many young Indians to join the struggle for independence. After a trial lasting 1.5 years for their involvement in the Kakori train action, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan and Rajendra Nath Lahiri were executed in Gorakhpur jail on December 19, 1927. Bismil was only 30 years old at the time of his execution. On June 11, 2009, the World Health Organization declared swine flu a pandemic. The first case of swine flu was reported in the United States on April 15, 2009, where a 10-year-old child from California was confirmed to be infected with the virus. The virus quickly spread to 70 countries within a month. Although swine flu was less fatal than the coronavirus, with fewer deaths and a rapidly developed vaccine, it still posed a significant health threat. By October 2009, a vaccine was available worldwide. On August 10, 2010, the WHO removed swine flu from the pandemic category. Today, the H1N1 virus, also known as swine flu, continues to spread among people as a seasonal flu.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है. आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य. पीएचडी एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में. सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी. आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य. पीएचडी एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में. सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी. आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य. सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल. पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में. डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में. एडमिशंस ओपन. आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी. एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन.
On June 11, 1987, Britain's first female Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher won the election for the third consecutive time, earning her the title of the Iron Lady. She holds the record as the only woman to serve as Britain's Prime Minister for 3 consecutive terms. Thatcher first became Prime Minister on May 3, 1979 and subsequently won the 1983 and 1987 elections, maintaining her position for 11 consecutive years. Born on October 13, 1925, Thatcher began her political career in 1959. Before becoming Prime Minister, she served as the Education Minister and Environment Minister from the Conservative Party. During her tenure as Prime Minister, Thatcher implemented several welfare schemes, including a program to provide ready-made government houses to low-income groups. The privatization phase under her leadership enabled poor people to buy shares in companies like British Gas and BT. In a 1976 speech, Thatcher strongly criticized the repressive policies of the Soviet Union, leading a Soviet newspaper to dub her the Iron Lady, a title that stuck with her throughout her career. Margaret Thatcher passed away in London on April 8, 2013. The hovercraft was invented on June 11, 1959. A hovercraft is a vehicle with air cushions that can easily run on water and land, as well as on icy surfaces and mud. In this vehicle, a cushion of air is created with a large fan on which the hovercraft floats. This cushion greatly reduces the viscous friction force in the opposite direction of the craft's motion. That is why it is also called an air cushion vehicle. The credit for making it officially goes to engineer Christopher Cockrell. Christopher also holds the patent for the hovercraft. On June 11, 2012, 2 earthquakes occurred in northern Afghanistan, causing a major landslide. This landslide buried the city of Sai Hazara, trapping 71 people. After 4 days of digging, only 5 bodies were recovered, after which the search for people was stopped. According to the information, 75 people were killed and 13 others were injured in the landslide after the earthquake. Afghanistan is highly affected by earthquakes because it is near the southern border of the Eurasian plate, where the effects of earthquakes are most visible. For this reason, most earthquakes occur in Afghanistan. Additionally, it is a mountainous area which causes more damage. Overall, many earthquakes occur in Afghanistan due to its geographical location.